Since 2013, I have been drilling scientific hair care knowledge into y'all's brains, so I think it's time for a little quiz. For each question, I will give you a few seconds to answer. If you need more time, just pause the video, but no cheating with the Google. This is to test your knowledge. So grab yourself a pen, piece of paper, keep track of your score, and let's go. What is the outermost layer of the strand called? A, cuticle, B, medulla, C, cortex, or D, hair shaft? The answer is A. The cuticle is your hair's protective layer responsible for accepting and retaining moisture. In order for a product to cleanse the hair, it must contain A, an essential oil, B, a surfactant, C, hydrolyzed protein, or D, a quaternary compound. The answer is B. Surfactants are surface active agents found in cleansers that break up and emulsify oils and dirt, allowing them to be rinsed away when you are cleansing your hair. True or false? Trimming your ends regularly makes your hair grow. The answer is false. Hair growth is genetic. Trimming stops breakage from traveling up the strands, but how often you get cuts depends on the rate of breakage you have, but at least every 3 months is a good place to start. Porosity is the measure of A, how many holes are in the strand, B, how long hair stays moisturized, C, the rate hair absorbs water, or D, how many follicles are in your scalp. The answer is C, the rate your hair absorbs moisture. Most hair is low or medium porosity. High porosity hair is usually a result of chemicals like relaxers or permanent hair color or structural damage from high manipulation or excessive amounts of heat. Which of the following color types does not use developer to process? A, demi-permanent color, B, bleach, C, semi-permanent color, or D, permanent color? The answer is C. Semi-permanent color, also called rinses, coat the strands and reflect tone in natural light. They do not lift or provide full color. What is this symbol called and what does it mean? The answer is open jar symbol, and it tells you how many months past opening a product you have to use it before you should throw it out. The scalp secretes an oily substance from the sebaceous glands called A, keratin, B, serotonin, C, melanin, or D, sebum. The answer is D, sebum. Its primary function is to protect your scalp and hair from moisture loss and infection with antifungal properties. Excessive shedding and thinning is caused by A, vitamin deficiency such as iron and vitamin D, B, circulation disorders and medications, for example, high blood pressure, C, menopause, D, thyroid conditions, or E, all of the above. The answer is E, all of the above. Please stop searching for growth pills and concoctions that will not solve your health issues and go to the doctor. Get your annual physical, get the blood work done, take care of yourself. Which of the following moisturizes hair? A, raw oil mixture, B, water, C, raw shea butter, D, mayo and egg mask. The answer is B, water. If there's no water in it, it cannot moisturize. Also, hair cannot process or effectively use raw ingredients and substances because of their larger molecular structures and because your hair doesn't function like your stomach. To hydrate and aid your scalp in proper blood circulation and hydration, you should consume at least how much water each day? A, half your body weight in ounces, B, 1 gallon, C, 16 ounces, or D, 1 liter. The answer is A, at least half your body weight in ounces, and you should aim to get that up to a gallon. If you feel like that's too much, cut out the soda, the juice, and the other drinks. You'll be so much more pleased with the dewy skin and scalp that isn't tight, itching, and flaking. True or false? You should use a rinse-out conditioner first and then a deep conditioning treatment to seal in moisture on wash day. The answer is false. You should use one or the other. If you're using both, your treatment is not getting into your strands because your rinse-out conditioner has already coated them. I have a whole video explaining this that I will link below. True or false? Conditioner can be used to cleanse hair. The answer is false. Conditioner does not contain cleansing agents and will not remove all the dirt, oil, and debris and buildup. You can, however, use a formulated co-wash, a conditioning cleanse, because it will have a surfactant-based ingredient. True or false? You should choose hair products based on your curl pattern. The answer is false. Products cannot be formulated based on your curl pattern. Products are based on result desired. They work based on the health of your hair, how you apply them, the environment you live in, and when you are exploring products, it's helpful to shop with brands that allow returns and exchanges so you're not stuck with a bunch of products that you don't want to continue to use. To most effectively clean my hair tools, I should A, wipe them off with a wet towel, B, rinse with hot water, C, clean with clarifying shampoo and disinfect with barbicide, or D, clean with alcohol. The answer is C, clean with a clarifying shampoo and then disinfect with barbicide. I have a whole tutorial on how to do this process that I will link below. What is the sign that hair is dry versus dull? A, breakage, B, excessive shedding, C, excessive frizzing, D, all of the above. The answer is D, all of the above. Sometimes we like to say hair is dry because it isn't shiny, but not having shiny hair does not mean that your hair is dry. The more texture you have, the less light your hair reflects and will appear dull. If you are having issues with breakage and excessive shedding or frizzing, now those are signs that hair is depleted or not retaining moisture. I'll link you to a tutorial on this topic below. Well, that's it. I hope you got all of those right or at least learned something. Let me know in the comments below how you did. You can check the description box below this video for links to content to help you learn more on these topics or by visiting MoKnowsHair.com.